This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brian Southwick. Remodeled Ocean View Turnkey Beach Home with Panoramic View. Interest in 82 feet of deeded private beach, and great sun exposure, on large 19,948 square feet. Home site. 2,150 square feet. With 650 square feet. Unfinished workshop area at the garden level. Features 2 bedrooms, office, den, great room, kitchen, utility room, wall of windows and access to 600 square feet deck area with natural gas fireplace. 650 square feet bedroom suite at the garden level includes kitchen, laundry and 3/4 bath. Enjoy new Birch Bay Berm. For more information, review the details below.